Today I'm going to teach you how to make cabbage in the Instant Pot. Just in time for St. Patrick's Day. So you want to take your cabbage and chop it up. I just do it in slices like this. Then you're just going to put the cabbage directly into the inner pot. Then I'm going to flavor it with 1 tablespoon of Better Than Bullion. They have a lot of great flavors to choose from. These are 2 that I have on hand. I couldn't decide which one to pick. I think either one would taste good, but I'm going to go with the no chicken base. It's really good. So you're just going to take 1 tablespoon and you're going to put that into 1 cup of hot water and stir it until it dissolves. Then pour it over top of your cabbage. You're going to put in 2 heaping tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Is cook it. So you're going to put your inside pot into your Instant Pot. You're going to put your lid on and close your sealing valve. You're going to set your Instant Pot to pressure cook for 2 minutes. Then wait for the beep and you will have the perfect cabbage. So good. I hope you'll give it a try and I hope you'll come back again to learn more fun recipes with me. Have a great day.